In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see jobs you applied for on LinkedIn. If you've applied for jobs on LinkedIn and want to quickly review them later, the good news is that LinkedIn makes this very easy. This is useful if you want to keep track of the positions you've already submitted applications for, check details again, or simply stay organized during your job search. To begin, sign into your LinkedIn account and look at the top navigation bar on the screen. There you'll find the jobs icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the LinkedIn Jobs section. This area is where LinkedIn keeps job recommendations, searches, and your activity related to job applications. Once you're in the Jobs section, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see an option called My Jobs. Click on My Jobs to open the page where LinkedIn stores saved jobs, applied jobs, and other job-related activity. If you're actively job hunting, this section can be especially helpful because it brings everything together in one place. After that, move your attention to the middle part of the page. Across the top of this panel, you'll see different tabs. Click the Applied tab. This is the section that shows the jobs you've already applied for using LinkedIn, so it's the main place you'll want to check whenever you need a record of your applications. Once you open the Applied tab, you'll be able to see your applied jobs if you have any. From there, you can review the listings and keep track of what you've already submitted. If nothing appears in this section, it may simply mean you haven't applied to any jobs through LinkedIn yet, or that some applications were completed outside of LinkedIn and may not show up here in the same way. A helpful tip is to use this page regularly if you're applying to multiple jobs, since it can make your search feel much more organized. It's also a good idea to revisit each listing if you want to remember the company, role, or timing of your application. And that's all there is to it. That's how to see jobs you applied for on LinkedIn.